Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the OES Online Education Society. Today we will learn lesson number 1, in which it will be told about Huruf-e Mufradat and Huruf-e Mustaliya and other things. Please, if you are new on this channel, press subscribe button and click bell icon button so that you will find as motivational and beneficial videos and information. Let's listen about lesson number 1. First of all, you must remember that Huruf-e Mustaliya. There are 7 letters which those are read thick in various situations. Look at this. Lesson number 1, Huruf-e Mufradat means individual letters. There are 29 Mufridat letters, i.e. letter in the Arabic alphabet. Pronounce the Mufridat letters with the Arabic accent according to the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat, avoiding Urdu pronunciations. For example, do not pronounce them at all as be, te, fe, he, khe, toe, zoe. Instead, pronounce them in the following say: ba, ta, tha, ha, kho, to, zo. From these 29 letters, there are 7 letters that are always pronounced with a thicker voice. These letters are called Mustaliya letters. These 7 letters are Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, Qaf. Their combination abbreviation is Khussa Dagtin Qiz. Only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips: ba, fa, mim, waw. Apart from these letters, do not let the lips move whilst pronouncing any other letter. While pronouncing these 3 letters, za, sin, sad, a whilst like high-pitched sound is created. That's why these letters are called letters of Safiriya, i.e. letters pronouncing a voice-like sound. Let's read. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. This letter is from Huruf-e Mustaliya. Dal, dhal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad is 2 Huruf-e Mustaliya. Dad is 2. Ta is 2. Za is 2. Ain, ghain is 2. Fa, qaf is 2. Kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya. There are 29 letters, and then we will be present with next episode. Do good, be good. May Allah keep on mercy on you. Goodbye.